Last but not least, we have Raziel here. So Raziel is Michael's brother in my series. So these are the colors you'll need, but paint the wheels Crayola black and use orange and red for the body. Like I was. Use the king size marker for the face shield. And so while it was going, leave the wheels black, let the wheels dry, and so you don't put any side roads in him because he doesn't need any. So he's still from the SBA Railways with Michael and Kyrie. They all arrived at the same time, and he has the number 87 on his side, like Michael has the number 88. The face shield needs a little touch up. If you guys want me to do a touch up real quick, I can do it for you. So in some later episodes, you'll probably see him and Michael not get along very good. And Raziel is made out of a Thomas I had. If I compare him to Michael, you can see they're both twins, but except Michael has 4 wheels, Kyrie has 6, and they're both painted a different red. And Michael has a red dome. Kyrie kind of has a gold dome and kind of has a red dome. They're from the SBA Railway, except one's 88 and one's 87. And one has side rods and one doesn't. If you guys want to know how to take the side rods off without a fork, I'll show you how to do it. Like I showed you. It's really simple how to do it. And that's not a complete Michael unless you put the side rods in him. So they both look way different. Oh my God. Kyrie, he's way different than them. He's blue, red wheels, and a tender engine, but they're both tank engines. Which custom engine was your favorite? Like and subscribe and tell me which episodes you would like to see, or what engines would you like to see in my series? Michael, Raziel, or Kyrie? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.